Opel is making waves at the start of a new chapter in the company's long and successful history. The Rüsselsheim-based carmaker has unveiled the new Opel Frontera. The fun and spacious new SUV with Blitz will be available as a battery electric variant from the outset, and customers will also be able to choose variants with 48-volt hybrid technology. The new Frontera captivates at first glance with its solid interpretation of Opel's bold and purist design philosophy. The upright front silhouette and unique front proportions of the new Frontera combine functional and spacious cabin space with a very bold and tough yet modern expressive appearance. The new Opel Blitz emblem celebrates its premiere in a series model and sits proudly in the center of the Opel Vizor. The black visor gives the front of the Frontera a unique identity and seamlessly integrates the eco-LED headlights with automatic high beam and the central Opel Blitz. The visor is supported by the trapezoidal cooling opening in the lower third and emphasizes the solid and powerful stance of the vehicle. The well-known Opel wing signature shines in a modern interpretation with 3 lighting blocks separated by body-colored inserts. The side view reveals a prominent C-pillar that visually divides the spacious cabin. The pronounced fenders and mudguards, on the other hand, firmly anchor the vehicle to the road while at the same time giving the newcomer a solid and modern appearance. The modern look and feel continues in the interior, where intelligent design meets practicality. Large horizontal trims on the dashboard and doors visually expand the already airy cabin. Furthermore, Opel's typical fully digital pure-panel cockpit with 2 10-inch screens and the multimedia infotainment system awaits the passengers and is as eye-catching as the bold and elegant new steering wheel. Opel consistently follows the philosophy of maximum comfort with minimal distractions, with a clean, detoxified user experience to avoid any digital stress. The newcomer also appeals to those who prefer to rely on their own mobile devices by offering an optional innovative smartphone cradle. Once the user's smartphone is connected to the station via a dedicated app, it becomes the vehicle's infotainment control panel and also interacts with the steering wheel buttons. The newcomer's entertainment factor is further enhanced by a number of clever solutions. For example, charging mobile devices is easier than ever with the cooled wireless charger and 2 USB ports in the front and 2 USB ports in the second row. Larger devices that would normally not fit neatly into the cabin, such as tablets, can be safely stowed in the center console thanks to a flexible strap that holds them in place. Other open storage areas in the cabin can accommodate everyday handbags with rubber linings that prevent shaking and slipping. Second-row passengers can benefit from integrated smartphone pockets in the backrests of the front seats. The new Frontera also impresses with its loading capacity. With the rear seats up, the boot offers more than 460 liters of luggage space. With the seats folded down, the capacity increases to 1,600 liters. Additional versatility is provided by the 60:40 split rear row, while a second loading floor comes as standard. Customers who need to carry more luggage on their journeys or want to make full use of the 200+ kilogram roof load can also opt for the optional functional roof rails. Like all new Opel models, the new Frontera impresses not only with its bold and purist design, but also with its responsible performance. Customers can choose between a purely battery electric variant and highly efficient drives with 48-volt hybrid technology. The new Opel Frontera is available as a hybrid with 48-volt technology or as a fully electric version. With a starting price of around €24,000, the Frontera hybrid has a 74 kilowatts, 100 horsepower, 1.2-liter turbocharged petrol engine specially developed for hybrid use. This works together with a 21 kilowatts, 28 horsepower electric motor and an electric 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, so that fuel consumption and CO2 emissions are significantly lower than in a conventionally driven model. In addition, the Frontera hybrid will be available with a 100 kilowatts, 136 horsepower, 1.2 turbo engine. Customers in Germany who want to travel locally without emissions can choose the battery electric Frontera Electric with a range of more than 300 kilometers, according to WLTP, for around €29,000. As a long-range version, the new Frontera Electric will be able to travel up to around 400 kilometers, WLTP, without stopping to recharge.